Now let's say that you have a part in the chuck and you need to do some internal boring. Now I have placed inside here an Allen head screw, which we can't see right now. And we'll turn the lathe light on, which throws a lot of light on the outside of what we're doing, but not inside the bore. We still can't see inside the bore. So we'll turn that light off and we'll put the tailstock light on. And now we can see inside the bore, we can see the screw that I've placed in there. So putting a tailstock light on can be of some help when you want to see what you're doing. Now all I've done here is put an electrical box right here with a toggle switch on it. The toggle switch turns this light on and the light shines right down at the chuck. Now this electrical box just has a cord coming out that I have plugged into the nearest wall socket. And that's all there is to that. Now when I want to machine a threaded part, like this bolt, let's say I wanted to maybe take the head on this bolt down a little bit and I need to hold it in the chuck and I don't want to damage the threads, I've made up some of these right here. And all that is just a piece of pipe basically with a thread into it, and it's cut out here so that this part of it will collapse on the thread when it's put in the chuck. Now note, if you can see this, maybe you can't, but there is a little raise in diameter here right at this end. This diameter right at that end is larger than the rest of it. That allows the pressure on the jaws to close in. So if we put our part in here like that, put it in here, tighten the chuck up. Now you can adjust this where you want it first, then tighten the chuck up. That's got it. It's tight now. And you can make those any size. Here's one for the 3/8 bolts. And it's pretty easy to make, and it really works well for tightening up those threads without damaging anything in the chuck. If you'd like to be notified of other new modifications, please click on the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.